Morning, grade threes. Quick teacher is quickly going to explain your maths for Monday. Okay, so the first activity you're doing is activity 65. What fraction is colored? Okay, so you're going to go look at how many parts the picture has been divided first before you look at the colored parts. Okay, so if you look at this rectangle, it has been divided into 6 equal parts. 2, 4, 6. Okay, so that will be called sixes. Okay, sixths. They've colored 4. So you count the yellow blocks. 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's 4 sixths. Okay. So you can write it in words 4 sixths, or you can write 4 over 6. That will be 4 with a line in the middle and then a 6. Okay. This block has been divided into 3 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, that you will call thirds. Okay. How many blocks has been colored in? Only 1. So it's 1/3. So you can write the word 1/3, or you can write 1 over 3. The shape has been divided into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 equal parts. So it's fifths. They've colored in 2. So it will be 2/5. Okay. And then you do the same for the other shapes. Okay. Then activity 66, you're going to study the fractions wall and answer the questions. So you'll see the top part is 1 whole. The 2 yellow rectangles are halves. The 3 blue rectangles are thirds. The 4 green ones are quarters. The 5 orange ones are fifths. The 6 purple ones are sixths. And the 7 pink ones are sevenths. Okay, then they're going to ask you questions. What fraction does A represent? Okay, so A is in one of the yellow blocks, so that's a half. What fraction does C represent? C is in the blue one. There's 1, 2, 3, so it's a third. What fraction does I represent? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, so it's thirds. Circle the correct answer. Which one is greater? A or F and G? Okay, A is 1/2. F and G are 2/5. But if you look at F and G, it's still, the 2 orange blocks are still smaller than the yellow block. Okay, so which one is greater will be A. So you'll circle A. What fraction does L represent? L is by the pink blocks. We said those are sevenths. What fraction do B and C represent? B and C are thirds, but it will be 2/3. Okay, because it's 2 of the 3 blocks, so it's 2/3. Circle the correct answer. Are D and E the same as A? Yes, D. Yes, E. If you put 2 quarters together, yes, it will give you 1/2. So D and E, if you put them together, will be the same as A. So it will be yes. What fraction do F, G, and H represent? F, G, and H are 1, 2, 3 of 5 blocks. So it's 3/5. Circle the correct answer. Which one is greater? B and C or F, G, and H? B and C are 2/3. F, G, and H, it's 3/5. So if you put them together, B and C is still bigger. So which one is greater will be B and C. The fractions that K and L represent are the same as B, D, or H. Okay, K and L are 2/7. So if you put them together, they're going to be the same size as D, looks like it. Okay, so you'll circle D. Do you see more fractions that are the same as others? Yes. 1 whole, the red block on top, is the same as 2 halves. Or 1 whole is the same as 3/3. Or 1 whole is the same as 4 quarters. Okay. Activity 67. Divide each shape in fractions and color the fractions that are asked. 1/2. So when you divide a shape in half, you make a line through the middle and you color in 1/2. 2/3. So you're going to divide the rectangle into 3 equal parts, color in 2. 3/4. Divide the square into 4 squares and color in 3. 4/6. Divide the shape into 6 equal parts, color in 4. 5/5. Divide in 5 equal parts, color all 5. 6/8. Divide the rectangle into 8 equal parts and color in 6. Okay, fill in the answers. There are how many quarters in 1/2? 1/2 will have 2 quarters. There are how many 6 in 1/2? 6 sixes. Okay. There are how many 8s in 1/4? 2. There are how many 6 in 2/3? 3. Okay, so you're going to use this fraction rule on top again to answer the questions, okay? And then activity 69, arrange the fractions from small to great. Okay, so again, you can use the fraction rule and go see 2/4, 1/3, 1/2, 1/4, 3/4. Okay, so 1/2 will be the biggest one, so that will go at the end. The smallest one will be 1/3, 1/4, 2/4, 3/4, 1/2. Okay, use your fraction rule to see the sizes. Okay. Activity 70, draw any shape, then draw and color the fractions that are asked. Okay, again, draw any shape inside the blocks. Then again, divide into what they ask and color in. 2/2, so you'll divide a shape into 2 pieces, color both pieces. 1/3, divide a shape into 3 pieces, only color 1. Okay, so draw a shape, divide into the equal parts they ask you here, and color in how many they ask. Okay, good luck. Love you. Bye.